Hello friends, as a part of SCAT program services, I am offering to you Soft Skills Zone. This Soft Skills Zone transforms your study room into a soft skills training center. Before explaining this, you must understand the term soft skills. Many people use this term very loosely without knowing the real meaning of it. Actually, soft skills refer to personal qualities, habits, attitudes, and social behavior which make someone to become a good employee. These soft skills are very important indicator for job performance as hard skills. Hard skills means technical skills. Soft skills means personal skills. If you have personal skills, that means soft skills only, your performance, you can show high performance through your hard skills. For example, you feel that you are a good programmer. You have excellent command over languages and program development process and all that. But if you don't have command over arithmetical calculations, if you don't have logical brain and all that, you cannot conceive a logic. Logic is like a string in the garland. Without string, you cannot frame any garland. Flowers may be changed, but every time you must have a string. So, that logical brain and making arithmetical calculations and all that belong to soft skills. Thereafter, technology comes hard skills and all that. So, you must understand that without having soft skills and all that, you cannot get the higher productivity from your hard skills and all that. That you must remember. That's why all companies first give high importance for the soft skills. In job selection process, you must know that first they test your soft skills, means personal skills. Thereafter, if you pass, if you clear that soft skill test, they test your hard skills. That's why you must understand the importance of soft skills, and you cannot undermine that. Parallelly, if you want to become a real programmer, if you are a real software career aspirant, parallelly along with learning hard skills, you must learn soft skills. So, you by this you can understand one thing: we cannot ignore human element. Person is core. Thereafter, technology, systems, and all that will come. So, what are soft skills? What are the contents in soft skills? Actually, regarding it is a big list of contents. But only thing is, as far as software industry is concerned, these are the three elements are there. Mainly, you should master on the three elements. The first one is quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude. In quantitative aptitude, there are around 35 items I identified. And by learning quantitative aptitude, you will be good at arithmetical calculations. You can derive a formula for every situation. And much beyond that, you can understand, you will have an opportunity to understand various business domains like bankers discount, true discount, partnership, profit and loss. Like many business domains, you can understand. Here, one very important point I have to tell you. If you want to become a real programmer, a software developer, and all that, the first and foremost step or requirement in project development process is understanding a domain, because your clients may belong to different domains. They are running different types of business. One is running a hotel business, other one is running a transport business, other one may be a banker, other one may be a stockbroker, and somebody may be a chartered accountant. So business domains are entirely different, entirely unique. Without understanding a domain, How can you develop a software project on that? Without understanding question in the exam, can you write answer for that? That's why understanding business domains is a very important and a prerequisite to become a programmer. For this purpose, this quantitative aptitude, by learning quantitative aptitude concepts and all that, two-way benefit you can get. That is, one is you can understand what are the business domains, what are the criteria in that, and second one, you can sharpen your arithmetical calculation powers and all that. So that is the basic important. And you may get a doubt. There are thousands of domains, business domains. How can I learn all of them? Here, simple point, simple technique I tell you. If you do not know what is business domain and all that, there is no use at all. Suppose if you learn 10 business domains, about 10 business domains and their criteria and all that, and automatically you are enabled to understand 11th domain, even though it is totally unique. That's why nobody can learn all the things. Your experience, whatever experience you gain, which enable you to understand new things. That's why through quantitative aptitude, two-way benefit you can derive. Second one is problem solving techniques and reasoning. This is very core. Already I told you, logic. Problems are very unique, very complicated. So you have to apply your brain. You have to derive a formula that all the techniques you have to understand how to solve a problem. So, and for that purpose, reasoning is very useful and all that. Already I told you, a logic is like a string in the garland. Flowers may be changed, but string is same. So you should have these problems. You should learn problem solving techniques and reasoning. And the third one is general communication skills in English. That is very core because you are a very good programmer and you have the techniques also. You have very good logical brain, but you have to interact with your client. So you have to interact with your client and you have to convince him. Then only if your client is convinced with you, you may give a order. So if we have treasure of this thing also, if you are not able to communicate with your client properly, it is like a tank full of water without tap. What is the use? That's why general communication skills in English mainly, because of course you should have general communication skills in other languages also, but English is very core because it is a national language, international language. That's why you should these skills also are considered as part of soft skills and all that. On the three areas, you must achieve mastery over that. It is not a overnight job, or you cannot earmark 1 week or 10 days period and all that. It is a continuous process. If you work for some months on this and all that, automatically you will be no end for that, but you will be well acquainted. You enrich your confidence. So, in the soft skills zone, we, as a part of the SCET, we are introducing 10 core concepts of quantitative aptitude. 10 core concepts of quantitative aptitude, and we are providing you ECQT tests. These are meant for practice as well as certification. These are Ekalavya Career Sure Quantitative Skills Tests. Actually, 10 concepts I am explaining like this through videos. Several examples also I give you. Thereafter, you are provided the test and all that for practicing as well as certification also. So these are all objective type questions and all that. 5 multiple choice will be there. You have to calculate and you have to take one of the correct answer. 20 questions will be there. 60 minutes. Actually, I am giving you 60 minutes, but in industry they give you 30 minutes only. So gradually you have to improve your speed. Here, accuracy and speed are two things. Industry gives first priority to speed, next priority to accuracy. So you have to improve your speed. This is not the correct norm. You should be reduced to 30 minutes gradually. But overnight it is not possible and all that. So once you start writing the test and all that, immediately after writing the test and all that, your paper is evaluated, you get marks also. So every time you have to improve your performance and all that. So if you really own the concept, then only it is possible. Mechanically, you cannot do that because every question is unique. That's why you have to sharpen your brain by by practicing on the test and all that. So in this way, as a part of our SCET, we are introducing quantity aptitude, and rest of the things later in after few months we are going to introduce.